Hello, world changers, history makers, persuaders. It's Keroy here, aka Mother Eagle. How is everybody doing? Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you for all you guys' questions. I'm getting them and I will be responding. I'm planning to do our live Q&A very soon. So if you have a question, leave it in the comment below and I'll be giving out the date when I'll do the live Q&A. It will be so much fun. Keep the questions to personal development, personal finance. Don't go too astray. Well, today I just wanted to talk about doing the extras. You know, as a world changer and a history maker per se, life is going to demand of you to take an extra step from the usual, to go the extra mile or for everything you do. That is the one thing that will set you apart. Take an extra step and do the extra things. You know, it's so easy for us to be complacent, to be lazy and do what everybody's doing. But if you do that, you're going to get the same results everybody's getting. You see what I mean? So what the point here is, in everything you do it with excellence, do it with diligence, do it with consistency and persistency so that you can reach the mark of your highest calling. Yes, it will require you to do the extras, a little sacrifice. You sacrifice now and you'll celebrate later, you know. So focus is very important. It's needed. You focus on the thing and you do, you know. So I'm encouraging you to do the extras. So I'll give you real examples. For example, sometimes I get emails, someone asking me, what's your email address? And I'm thinking, really? If only they checked on this page, on this Facebook page, they would find my email address and my website in like a minute of checking. Or you need more videos, just scroll down this page. That is doing the extras. Or, you know, yeah, so be thinking, how can I do the extras? How can I go the extra mile? How can I, actually the term is lead with value. How can I lead with value versus sitting back and being complacent and waiting to be handed things? This is not, we are not the generation of just being handed things. We are generation of creators and doers and making things happen and manifest. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle giving you a piece of my mind. Feel free to join our group. I'll leave a link below. So make sure you follow all the steps. I'll be sure to approve you and we'll see you in the group. There are so many resources there for your continued learning. Remember, we're here to support you as you find and discover and develop into your fullest potential. Talk to you soon. Bye.